Microwave, microwave, what do you hold? Microwave, microwave, look and behold. This is the birthday unboxing special with a size 30 Xbox and a 30 GX box. So I'm gonna start by opening this box. Okay. Alright. Here. The box. It will be opened. Bazam! It is opened. Let's see. So, we got the Sarina GX card. See that? Right there. Oh, let me do that stand. Okay, that's much better. Here. Alright. Okay. The Sarina GX card. Looks pretty cool. And how do I get it out? Okay, this is the card. Pretty cool. Okay. Put it with my other super rares. Okay, now, this is what I'm excited about. The oversized card. It looks so cool. Here we are. Okay, look at that. Look how big it is. It's awesome. But I have no idea where to put it. Okay. And now for the packs. We got these 4 packs here. Alright, first here. Let's open this one first. Okay. Here. Sun Moon pack. Open. You will require assistance from other sources. Okay, got it open? I'm gonna go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, here we go. Dark Energy. Araquanid. Energy Retrieval. Murder. Fomantis. Spiro. Sandalil. And Torkoal. Torkoal Reverse. And Primarana. Okay. Pretty cool. I have no idea if any of these are actually really rare. I just know if they're EXs or DXs. Okay, I'll sort those later. Next one. Okay, it's a Cinnamon Burning Shadows. I can open this one. I can do it. I got this. No, I don't. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Dark Energy. Olivia. Lunatone. Plumadic. Inkay. Ralts. Crabrawler. Sneasel. Vinfert. And Seviper Reverse. Beware. Cool. Put those there. Next one, I got this great new way to open packs. Watch this. Works every time. See, now it's really easy to open. It says, let's see. There we go. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Energy. Sophocles. Reborn. Solrock. Horsey. Keyfly, Lediva, Grimmar, Rowlet, Gyarados reverse, rare, cool. And what are the chances of that? Look at that. Gyarados reverse, Gyaraverse hollow, Gyarados. That's cool. Okay, I accidentally ended it. Here's the second one. Okay, it's being opened. It was the breakthrough. Here. Okay. Is that what you do to a breakthrough pack? Yeah, whatever. Okay. Okay. Ralts. Is that Dora? Ralts. Beverger. Wait. That's Panama. Okay. Meowth. Ghastly. Lemon. What? Oh my gosh! Raichu break. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I actually got... I do not have any other break card. This is my first break card. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Oh! Yes! Oh man. Wow. That was a good pack. Okay, we still got some more. Alright. Okay. Okay. Floriges. Parallel City. Fracture. Ooh. Mewtwo Spirit Link. Oh man. Okay. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, that was the first one. Okay. Got one more box. Let's see what I get. Here. Okay, here. Scizor EX box. Got Scizor EX, a giant one. That's awesome. I love the giant cards. They're big. Okay, open it. Hey Google, can you open this box for me? Thanks, Google. Okay. Here we are. Let's get that. Scizor EX. I have this on Pokemon TCG Online. And Scizor EX. But I forgot my password. Yeah, that's great. Let's get it out. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. I think Scizor looks really cool. Okay. Dang, where did I put that? Okay, it's right there. And the packs. XY Evolutions. Fates Collide. XY Fates Collide. A code, I don't know where that came from. Okay. And Sun and Moon pack and Steam Siege. Steam Siege is where I got a Steelix EX full art. That was also my first pack. Right. Here we are. Oh man, that is awesome. Oh man. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's do Steam Siege first. Get out of here. Alright. I don't know what tricks for this one. I don't know if I'm supposed to put the cards in. Or, I don't know. Okay, let's just open. Krogunk. Tangela. Dano. Chimchar. Rufflet. Ponyta. What the crap? What the? No way. the freak? I got another Steelix EX full art. I have 2 of them? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is like the best opening I've ever done. Okay, I got Greedy Dice, Dewott, and Gardevoir Spirit Link. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. The best unboxing I've done. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Code. Now this one I know how to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic energy. Oh, I forgot to move those out of the way. Let's get them. Hold on. I'll pause this. Okay, here we go. Timer Ball. Pinsir. Repel. Grubbin. Oh yeah. Growlithe. Popplio. Wingull. Surskit. Mascot. Oh my. That's like another super rare. I don't exactly know how rare a Gumshoe's GX is, but this is an, oh my god. Wow. And I can say I've pulled all of these. Oh. Wow. This is amazing. Okay. Okay, X and Y Fates Collide pack. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I think you put 3, 2, 3. It goes right. Okay. Last is special. Omyanta. De-Evolution Spray. Bianco. Solosis. Spoink! Gothita. Finnegan. Ooh, that's cool. Avatar. No freaking way. Oh my gosh. Am I the luckiest person alive? Oh, a Zygarde X. It's another freaking super. Oh, no, I dropped it. Okay. Look at that. No freaking way. That is awesome. Thank you, Dragon Pulse. Oh, man. Okay. Last one. An X and Y Evolutions pack. See what I get. Oh man, this is amazing. Hold on. Okay. They're all old. Cool. Weedle. Oh yeah. Sandshrew. Tangela. Ponyta. Who's glowing. Dodo. Magnite. Huh. Cool. What? freaking crap! No way! What the? Oh my gosh. Mega Venusaur EX. Oh. Oh man. Wait. Are you serious? Okay. So I get a Mega Venusaur EX. And right next to it, Venusaur Spirit Link. What the heck? This is so good. And of course, after it, you get a Metapod. Ooh, Charizard Spirit Link. It's another Spirit Link. Another code. This is freaking awesome. That was all of them. Alright. I'm gonna put them in cases. All the super rares and show them. Okay, here's all the shiny looking ones and the EXs and GXs and stuff. Okay. Freaking Raichu Break. A second Steelix EX full art. I'll prove that a bit later. Scizor EX. Serena GX. Mega Venusaur EX. Gumshoes GX. And Zygarde EX. Oh my freaking gosh. This is... Okay. Let's add this to the collection. Hold on a second. Look at that. 2 Steelix EX full arts. 2 of them. They're both real. I got them from real packs, real stores. Look at that. They're both... Let's see. They're both exactly identical. They're both made in the same year, same star, same stuff. 2 exactly identical Steelix EX full arts. This was the best This is the best unpacking of any Pokemon cards I've ever had. Oh yeah, another thing. So, my parents bought me some Pokemon cards for Christmas, and well, they were all fake, but they were also all GXs when they were fake. So now I have like 50 fake GXs and secret rares. Yeah, it's pretty cool actually. Though at least they look cool. But yeah, that's cool. That's weird. Okay, that's it. That was amazing.